might like to you might like to continue
Una
now.
shock me.
We shock you.
As in you choke.
We shock you, we will not shock you. It's either we are praising or we are jamming here. Now what will they do? Yeah, Chukma Station, Wazovia FM, and of course we get Mike Abdul in the building. Oh my goodness, Lagos! It just be like the president don't start already. You know, we have started. We started yesterday, in case you are not aware. And then the grand finale. Now what will happen finally? Welcome in the building.
Thank you.
So
for
many
having me.
people they're excited for you. Say you they come praise jam. So how
Yes.
excited you they?
Yeah, people ask them now. They won't think. But the excitement high. Come on now. I can't wait. I mean, I have praise jam back. You understand what I'm saying?
I like say you mentioned to have praise
Praise
jam
Jam
back.
That's
So if you one of the people where they carry placard, like I don't even understand what's going on.
What's going on?
Cool FM was over Nigeria for they wait for, and you they glad they were back.
I'm so glad.
Tell me the first time when you hear. Say would they bring them back again? Waiting be the first thing will come out for your mouth.
No, the joy he plenty. I just say, he don't come back. See, Praise Jam. When Praise Jam started, you know, of course, Cool FM. When Praise Jam started, it was something we look up to, like every year. Every artist wanted to be on it, and it was good. It was like bringing it to society. You understand? Not just an enclave or an enclosure. Society, straight to the society, and you could see the people jumping, and they're so excited. For me, I saw Praise Jam like using music to promote godliness in the land. That's the way I saw Praise Jam, and it was beautiful, always beautiful.
And the unity way they bring.
Amazing.
Say everybody go be assembled.
Do you know it didn't matter if you were a Christian or Muslim?
Exactly.
Amazing.
So you they
I'm
give
glad.
up. Some people they look out for tickets to go. Some people will be said already buy one or two. One make you give them the one where go bring other people come. So you go fit talk to just anybody about Praise Jam. And the people they're excited today here with you. You be done the work. You get so many songs, so many collaborations and everything. And as the spirit leads. And I know say on that particular day for Praise Jam, you go let loose. But for the godly things.
We'll go dance, don't worry.
And we there ready. We there ready to dance.
That's
We there ready to dance. And then from the lineup of waiting we get, this is now like
Fire.
Amazons,
Wetin?
people, pioneers,
I see Anna.
ambassadors,
I
them.
say woo.
People, you shock you right. People will get say, people will get stake on things will consign the kingdom. And we did glad to get you in the building. So many people go like to say, Mike Abdul, oh, chair. Oh, please play Fire. Which song be Fire? And that person say Mori Ray. Yes, and he said play. Okay, no, the ones where they play, you know, yeah, we shock them now. We shock them. I'll shock you too small. Sound from Oh My Jesus to Crossover to all of them other sound. Cheche, please ask him when he go collaborate with who? Which name be this they mention for me? Who is Angelica?
Angelique Kidjo? They want me with Angelique
Kidjo? Why we shout at the same time? Oh my goodness. Okay, Mike Abdul, good to have you in the building. I love your calmness always. You're such a gentleman.
Thank you.
It's like, I hope the spirit is leading you because this is now man of the spirit. All right, Mike Abdul. Now, for every single person where they follow you and for the people also when want to reach out to you, you they give out tickets on your own platform or you they buy for the people or you they bring trailer of people.
They do. Seriously, I'll be giving out on my platform.
Okay.
And, April 18, you don't want to miss it for anything. It's Easter Monday. What are you doing? Come now. Now, praise Jan. I want to do Eco Convention.
Yes. Center.
Oh. Make sure you make it. Make sure you're there. It's going to be amazing, fantastic. Come
the
on.
time not 12. When you they come, some people don't tell me say they go sleep over. Can the black say go sleep there?
Don't worry, I go don't reach.
Go don't reach. I trust you when me more to pull you through. But well done, say you come inside even to pay your presence and for people to know truly that Mike Abdul they come. All right, thank you. Of course, we need to follow you social media platform.
Yes,
which
so Mike Abdul Niger on Instagram, on Twitter, everywhere. Mike Abdul Niger. Jam.
Okay, you get any new song where you dey cook because you're always working?
Yes. How did you know? Oh, okay.
I don't know. I moved by the spirit.
I have this new song. It's titled Hallelujah Always.
Hallelujah.
Mike Abdul featuring Ada Ehi.
Okay.
Amazing piece. You would definitely love it.
All right. Thank you so much. And of course, now you don't hear him. Chacha, don't let him go. I have to go now. He's been fasting and praying to match up April 18th.
That's it.
But we love you plenty. Thank you so much. So you come inside the video, Mike Abdul. And
you.
Lagos, there you go. And somebody sending you love all the way from London. He talks lovely songs you've got. Chacha, now well done for bringing Mike Abdul. Yes. Hi, Chacha. Please, are you going to stream Praise Jam live? Who do you think you're talking to? I don't understand. This is a conglomerate matter. Kuwazobia info. We go stream live, guy. Pay attention to us here, okay? Obi, anything where you want. Anywhere in the world where you dare, you go feel be part of Praise Jam. Thank you so much. Another person say, Mike Abdul, yes, with Adehi is a banger. He's a Holy Spirit banger. All right. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
All right, guys, so take a break and I come back to you. No touch your die.